Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video, I want to show you how to collaborate in a FaceTime call on your iPad or iPhone. Specifically, let's look at how to collaborate using Apple Notes. All right, here I am within my FaceTime call. The first step will be to find your three dots on the bottom right-hand corner of your call. From here, you will select SharePlay. This will begin the process of sharing a link to a collaborative note. This is shared via iCloud, so both people who are trying to collaborate do need to be signed in to their iCloud account on their device. You'll also notice via this SharePlay feature that you can listen and play together with the 4 apps above: Fitness, YouTube, Music, and even Apple TV. And you can collaborate on these Apple apps here below. Let's hop into collaborating on a note. From here, I am going to now select Collaborate on the top of my device, which will send a notification to the other person. You'll notice here that I have a notification to open up this collaborative note. So I will do that on this device. This would be the other person on the call. Okay, now you'll notice both devices, both people, have this meeting note open. And if I was on the note, it might take a while for the text to show up on each device, but you'll notice now it has shown up here. The other person typed hello in this document. Now, for any reason, if the notes application within the FaceTime call goes away, you can still find your shared note. You will navigate to your notes application on your device. Let's say you're in your iCloud notes. You'll simply select the back arrow here and find the shared folder. From here, you'll notice you will find any note that has been shared with you via your iCloud device in this shared folder. I hope this video helped you learn how to collaborate via SharePlay on a FaceTime call, and I hope to see you in the next video.